Hey guys, and welcome to Live Russian Vocab. Today we will be talking about so-called word connectors that help us to connect the parts of conversation, and they also help us to sound more natural. Let's say you've been learning Russian for some time, but you still feel that you sound like a robot. I'm sorry. And it happened to me in English when I couldn't get to one part of the conversation, from one part of the conversation to another one, I didn't know how to make my language partner to focus their attention on my words, for example, how to agree, how to disagree, and so on. Not so long time ago, I came across on hellotalk a post. It was the post by Craig, American studying Russian. His channel will be in the video description, and he was talking about basic phrases. Like when you start learning a language, you always need a set of phrases you will need in the future, and he recommends to create your own lists because the purposes of your learning are different. Maybe all the words that are connected with the kitchen you would never need, so why learning them? At least in the very beginning. So let's look at the words connectors, how to use them, and you will see how natural you could sound when you insert them in your speech. Let's get started. So first, what we need to do is, let's say our partner is talking, and you want to say something. So how would you attract their attention? You may say, in English it's like listen or look, but in Russian you can say послушай, listen. Послушай, я думаю, что это неправда. Listen, I think that's not true. Let's say he's saying something, and you're like, stop, послушай, я думаю, что это неправда. Or you can say слушай, which means the same as послушай. Слушай, я хотела сказать, что... Listen, I wanted to say that. Yeah, that's how you may turn the conversation, turn it around so your language partner is listening to you. Or гляди, I used all the time. You can say смотри, look. Or some Russians use гляди. It somehow sounds cuter to me, so I use this one. Гляди. Сначала нужно туда позвонить. First, you need to call there. Гляди is like, look, I want you to listen to me, and I have some idea. Yeah, гляди. Сначала нужно туда позвонить. Like, I have an idea. First, you need to go there, and then it will go easier, let's say. Another very nice word is like you know. You may start expressing your opinion like this. For example, you hear что ты думаешь? Что ты об этом думаешь? What do you think about it? Знаешь, я так не думаю. I don't think so. Well, this example doesn't go with что ты об этом думаешь. Let's say your language partner expressed their opinion and you say, I don't think so, I disagree. Or, знаешь, это не важно. You can use it to comfort person. That's not important, so don't bother, don't be upset. Or when you want to, again, comfort a person and express your agreement, you may use moreover. In Russian, it's тем более. Тем более, you want to add some arguments to your language partner's point. Тем более, ты хотел помочь. Moreover, you wanted to help. Or, тем более, ты не знал. Moreover, you didn't know. Like, how could I do that? But I didn't know. Yeah, тем более ты не знал. Yeah, moreover, you didn't know. Or they say, но у меня не было времени подумать. I didn't have time to think. Да, тем более ты не знал. Moreover, you didn't know. So we agree and we add our point here. Or when we want to change the topic, or we remembered about something but it doesn't go with our conversation line, we could say, by the way, кстати, я все забываю тебе сказать. By the way, I all the time forget to tell you. Or, кстати, я забыла. By the way, I forgot. And then you continue what you wanted to say. Or, кстати, by the way, it can be nice addition to what a person is saying. Like, I want to go abroad. Кстати, я тоже хотела тебе сказать, что думаю о том, чтобы поехать за границу. By the way, I also wanted to tell you that I'm thinking about going abroad. What about if we don't know, if we are not sure, if we don't really have any opinion, we can say, but mostly when we disagree, we say, I'm not sure. Я даже не знаю. Как ты думаешь, я ему нравлюсь? How do you think? Does he like me? Я даже не знаю, or даже не знаю, I don't even know, because either I have no idea or I don't think he likes you. And we also can use in a conversation something like apparently. In Russian it's видимо. Видимо. By this we underline that all the facts tell us about it. For example, она совсем мне не звонит. She doesn't call me at all. Видимо, она просто не хочет с тобой разговаривать. Apparently, she just doesn't want to talk to you. Apparently. We might say, она просто не хочет с тобой разговаривать. It's kind of rude, it's my opinion, but видимо, all the facts say this, yeah? And also, a very good phrase, which means so that in English, when you make a conclusion, again, a person told you something, and you say, так что, so that, не переживай, so that, don't worry. First you list something like, послушай, я думаю, что это неправда. Listen, I think it's not true. Так что не переживай. So that, don't worry. It's not true. So that, don't worry. Yeah, nice example. Or, так что не думай об этом. So that, don't think about it. Yeah? Or, гляди, сначала нужно туда позвонить. Look, first you call there. Так что не думай об этом сейчас. So, don't think about it like, don't start making your own thoughts about it. Yeah, how can I say it in English? Like when you are alone. Yeah, don't do it. First call then. And a very nice phrase again when you need to make a closure. You can't talk anymore. You have to go. You don't have time to not interrupt rudely. You can say, ну все. So, все, it's like all, that's all. Ну все, мне пора идти. You can add извини. Извини, ну все, мне пора идти. Like, все, that's all. It's time for me to go. Мне пора. It's time for me. We can even omit идти. Ну все, мне пора. Like, that's all. I have to go. Or, ну все, я пошел, if you're a man. Okay, I'm going. Ну все, я пошла, if you're a woman. Okay, that's all, I'm going. Or you can say, ну ладно. Ну ладно is, in this case, it's a synonym of ну все. Ну ладно, мне еще нужно, I also need to, and then you add any verb in infinitive. Мне еще нужно работать. So, that's it, but I also need to do something. I need to work. And I put it here in this frame, ты прав, ты права, because it's a very common phrase when you want again to agree. So moreover, you agree and you give some other facts, but when you want to say that the person is right, you say ты прав if this person is a man, and Ты права, if this person is a woman. Let's say somebody told you, гляди, сначала нужно туда позвонить. Look, first you are calling there, and you say, да, ты права, yes, you are right. And then you continue. So I hope that these word connectors will help you sound more natural and feel at ease when having a conversation with Russians. We'll meet each other in live Russian vocab. See you!